Mvua mwingi ulinyesha, uliandamana na upepo, uliweza kubomoa madarasa mawili na nyumba 3 za walimu. Wanafunzi hawakupata majeraha, walikuwa darasa na hiyo darasa haikuweza kuporomoka. Kwa hivyo wanafunzi wote walikuwa safe, hakuna mwenye alipata jeraha.
We'll try to do all we can so that we can be able to plant trees around the school compound, despite the fact that the people who are the community, the parents who are the owners of the children are herders.
One of the big challenges that the school was facing, that's why it has not been occupied, is the issue of food. So that there was no food for the boarders. I have brought food from the district commissioner's office. There is food here to start today, so that there is no excuse from both the school and the community why the girls are not here as boarders.